Hello, my name is Max. This is No Code Nerd, and we have a really cool one today. This is called Ifttt. It stands for If This, Then That. Now, Ifttt basically lets you integrate a lot of unique tools together. So, initially, I think their main kind of benefit is things with smart home. They integrate well with smart home. Basically, if you go to a tool like Zapier or a tool like Integromat, they take mostly digital things and they connect apps together. Maybe if you need to connect like a Typeform to your Gmail, right? So you get an email every time a Typeform comes in, or you email somebody with a responsive like a response whenever they fill out your Typeform, something like that. That's really easy on tools like Zapier, right? Zapier.com. Very, very simple little tool. I'm going to make a separate video on this. But Ifttt lets you do integrations between tools in really, really crazy ways with really like unconventional tools, unconventional apps, right? So for instance, this is one of their big things. Get Alexa talking to Google Apps and Google Calendar. So Philips Hue when Uber arrives, right? So your lights change when the Uber arrives, or this is one like your lights on your porch will turn on when the pizza's on its way with the Domino's app, right? Or you post one picture to Ifttt, or when you post an Instagram photo, it posts it also on Twitter, right? You can create Google like calendar invites with your Alexa assistant, right? All these different really, really crazy things, especially with smart home. I've seen a lot with smart home and energy. You can now do with Ifttt. So you can just set up quick little integrations between all these really wild, obscure apps that you use. It's such a crazy, crazy tool. Let me know if you've ever heard of anybody doing anything crazy with Ifttt. Would love to know if you've built anything with it, or if you have any ideas on what you could build with this. But that's what it does. I'll see you in the next episode.